everyone. Today I am going to discuss the second case of using the law of sines, or you can say that when you can use the law of sines. I have discussed the case number 1 in my previous lecture, and this is the case number 2 in which I am going to discuss that how you will come to know that now you have to use the law of sines. So here we have a case number 2. What is the case number 2? It's basically in which you are given with two sides and a non-included angle. So what is given? Two sides of a triangle, of an oblique triangle, a triangle which is not right triangle, two sides plus an angle. Now this angle must be a non-included angle. Now what does it mean? What is given is two sides, the value of the length of the two sides, that is C is equals to 5 and A is equals to 7. The angle between the side C and A is this one, and this is an included angle. But in this case we have a non-included angle, that is this 45 degree which is given. So whenever this is the case that the angle is not in between the two given sides of which value is given or of which length is given, and it is between the side that is unknown, like here B is unknown and C is known, one should be unknown. So in such a case you have to use the law of sines. So here the angle is between C and B, and from B and C, B is unknown and C is known. If the angle is between both the known sides, that is A and C, that will be an included angle. But here when you came across a non-included angle, you have to use the law of sines. So here we will use law of sines, that is A divided by sine of A is equals to B divided by sine of B is equals to C divided by sine of C. So let's solve this triangle, this oblique triangle in which two sides and one angle is given. So it is also, you have seen in short that it is written that it is a case where we have side and angle. So here we have this is side and this is an angle. So this is a side angle case. So let's see how you can solve it. So given is the side A is equals to 7 and C is equals to 5 and angle A is equals to 45 degree. So these three things are given and we have to find the rest of the of one side and the two angles. So how we can do that, let's see. We will use the formula of the law of sines as A divided by sine of A is equals to C divided by sine of C. Now why do I have used A and C? Because A and C both are known and angle A is also known and only angle C is unknown. So from here we can easily find the angle C. So if I put the values in it, what I will get is A is what? A is 7. Angle A is 45. So sine of 45 is equals to C. C is 5 divided by sine of C. C is the angle that is unknown. So what we will do? We will move sine C on one side and the rest on the other. So 5 multiplied by sine of 45 divided by 7. So it will be equals to 5 into 5 multiplied by sine of 45 is 0.71 divided by 7. So we will have it will be equals to 0.51. Now we have to take the inverse of sine inverse in order to find the angle C. So C is equals to sine inverse of 0.51 and what we will get is the angle C. Angle C is equals to 30.66. So this is the first thing that we have found using the law of sines. Now the next thing is the third angle. Now it's obvious that you can easily find the third angle by subtracting the two angles from 180 degree as we have discussed before it as well, that you can easily find the angle B. So angle B is equals to 180 minus angle A, that is 45, minus angle C, that is 30.66. So angle B is equals to 104.34. So this is another thing that we have found. So we have got the two angles. Angle C is 30.66 and angle B is 104.34. Now we have got all the angles. Now what left is the side B, that is unknown. So let's find the side B now. For finding the side B, we have to use the law of sines as B divided by sine of B is equals to C divided by sine of C. So here all of these are known except B. So what we will do is B is equals to C is the side multiplied by sine of B divided by sine of C. So we just need to put the values here. We know that C is 5 multiplied by angle B is sine of 104.34 divided by sine of C. What is C? C is 30.66. So once you will solve it, you will get the side B. So B is equals to 9.50. So this is how you can find the side and the angle using the law of sines when you are given with only two sides and an angle that is not in between those two sides, that is non-included angle. Now it is clear here, and keep this in mind, one thing, that always a larger angle have the opposite side of large length, or you can say the biggest side is opposite to the largest angle. So here the largest angle is B and the opposite side, that is small b, is also of highest value, that is 9.50, while 30.66 is the angle C and the smallest side is C is equals to 5. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.